So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very amazing guest with us today. Her name is Nidhi Nanda, and she's from Hyderabad. She's a housewife, and we have the angel coach, Madam Jyoti Chaudhary. She is also a senior food nutritionist and head of departments, Go Nature. And I was informed that Nidhi Nanda was having BP, which is completely reversed, right? She was about to start medication. Doctor ने दवा पे डाल दिया था, but she did not start it because she joined Go Nature. She has lost 10 kgs weight, right? 10 kg का मतलब she has lost 20 kg. अगर 20 किलो फैट गया है, 50% मसल्स आ जाते हैं. So when I say 10 kg, it is actually 20 kg fat and 50% उसमें मसल्स आ गए. तो 10 kg दिख रहा है, right? Fatty liver, it's fine now. Her sleep is better, right? Could not sleep more than 4 hours. पहले 4 घंटे में दीदी की नींद खुल जाती थी, बट दीदी अब 7 घंटे सो रही है, जो कि अपना में चमत्कार है. Well done. Constipation, she's fine now. Stomach bloating, absolutely fine. Belly is flat now. Earlier it showed a lot of fat. Acidity gone. Stress gone. Every small little thing used to give us stress now has learned the art of managing stress and lead a happy life. Calf, arm and shoulder pain improved. Panic attacks gone. All vitamin supplements हमने डस्टबिन में फेंकवा दिया था. Very good. Energy level highs. Spondylitis. She also had spondylitis, which is fine. And the face is glowing, which we can see. Very nice, madam. Now over to you. कैसी ये आपकी जर्नी रही मैडम, जानेंगे आप ही की जुबानी. अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए. निधि जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है गो नेचर में.
Hi Vishal. Hi Jyoti ma'am. It has been a wonderful journey actually. I was very hesitant in the beginning कि कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, because I have been trying all those, but I was never for allopathic medicines.
जी.
But it was just, I was looking for options, where I can really get well without having any kind of medication. And that is when, I came across your Instagram reel. And that was, I think, a turning point for me. And I really am really thankful to all of you. Really thankful. I mean, there was a point when I was like really going into depression, seeing my weight, because whatever I was trying, I was not losing. In fact, I was adding on more weight. Like I was dieting, like trying to skip meals, but I like your diet plan actually. I mean, gradually, Jyoti ma'am, she really helped me. So gradually she put me on to, like she never stopped my meals and all, but I was very happy the way she, helped me with it.
Amazing.
And
amazing.
I would recommend everybody should, join you for good.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I'll come to the angel coach, Jyoti Chaudhary ma'am. Over to you. How has been the journey with the Nidhi?
Yeah, so hi, a very good evening to each one of you in the room. Warmest welcome. I think most of you I saw and met in the morning as well. So thank you so much for joining us again in the evening. Thank you so much. Now coming to Nidhi, Nidhi joined me as a gold student. I found her very warm, very stressful. Even at the drop of the hat, the smallest of things was troubling her. I just, basically engulfed her in my arms and I said, Nidhi, there's nothing to worry about. So the very fact that you wanted to start with blood pressure medicines, and
Yes.
I'm thankful, Nidhi, to you for believing in us, and you did not start, and here you are without medication. It's been 6 months and I'm sure you would continue to be like this.
Yes.
Then apart from that, I think a lot of acidity, anxiety, panic attacks, bloating, all these things which were kind of related to the kind of stress you had in life. One thing which I would really like to mention, like we have been talking about health all the time, but I must say a good health is not only physical, it is more than that.
True.
It is due to your emotions, which we have to really learn how to manage. Especially the women in the room, like I really want to send a message across to all women that each one of you is a precious treasure. Just believe in yourself, polish yourself day in and day out, because you are here for a purpose. it's not the daily chores which give you stress. Learn the art of overcoming your stress. Learn the art of speaking out. Have that courage to win over yourself and come out victorious. My heart really goes out for women, who for no reason of theirs, if they have to, go through physical, emotional, spiritual, so many things in life. And Nidhi, you are one of them. You are kind of a motivation for everyone. That, when you believe in yourself, you
Ma'am,
can...
I would like to add one more thing.
Yeah, please do.
It was like, when I had joined and I had to take this golden membership, I was very, very reluctant. I didn't know where the money would come from. And it just happened, एक बार like दिमाग में आया कि नहीं कर देते हैं, देखी जाएगी. And believe me, trust me, universe does help you.
Yes.
कहाँ से आया, कहाँ गया, I really don't know how it went. And I'm very happy now.
This is all about, I think, Nidhi, the now moment. I think Vishal in the power breathing session in the morning spoke a lot about the now moment. So I feel the decision taken in the now moment is the reason for the bigger decisions in life. So the moment you decided for yourself, Nidhi, that you want to take up, and now you see you are here actually talking to the world. Yeah. So there's one decision.
Yeah, I'm planning for a diamond also right now.
I know that, yeah. So she wants to take a diamond membership. This morning when I had a call with her, she said, ma'am, I'm so happy. I want to take up diamond membership. I don't know how it will be done, but I will. I think the very fact, Nidhi, your decision in the morning which said, I will take up, and now you are passing this message across the universe through almost 500 people sitting in the room. And surely you will be there. I'm very sure of that.
We should, ma'am, we should. Definitely. Yeah. What we are getting right now, we should pass it on to the universe as well.
Yes. Yeah, that's what I said. Bigger purpose, greater purpose in life. When we start thinking beyond me, myself, beyond your own self, I think that is when things start moving. So everyone sitting in the room, I think she's a big example to all of us, whoever listening to her.
Thank you, ma'am.
That when you grow your life larger than life, when your purpose in life is greater than yourself, I think things just do move the way they should be. So thank you so much, Didi, for coming. And,
thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vishal.
Thank you, Vishal, for giving me this opportunity. I'm always grateful to you for that. Thank you so much. Thanks, Nidhi. It means a lot for you to come here. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Nidhi. Thank you so much, Jyoti ma'am. Amazing. Everybody just type MPTY. More power to both of them. Beautiful journey. Hats off.